On behalf of the couple, I welcome you to this celebration of love. We are here today to acknowledge and honor the love that Michelle and Ben share, and to bear witness to the commitment which will begin their journey as married partners.
Michelle, my favorite thing about you is that you made me better and challenged me to be the best version of myself. I promise to continue to improve and be the man that you so greatly deserve. I vow to stand by and support you. I want you to be your own person. I promise to always help you with that. I promise to do my best to make your bad days good and your good days better. And most of all, I promise to be your equal, that we'll make our decisions together, that we won't say, yeah, that sounds fine, or just do whatever you want to do. I promise to have the tough conversations with you, the ones we don't want to have, the ones that don't always have the best nights, but I want to have them with you because I know we always come out stronger on the other side.
My always, I solemnly swear that we are up to no good as we take these vows. You say opposites attract, and I completely agree. You are my opposite in many ways, but not in everything. I give you my hand, my heart today, with all my love and promise. Ben, you are my best friend, my big partner in crime. You are my North Star, my solid ground, my anchor, my sea, and my air, as well as my beast. I vow to love you, honor you faithfully, just as Snape loved Lily, and how the beast loves Belle forevermore. I love you 3000, always.
I want to tell you, there's a wonderful cadence in marriage. He wants one thing, she wants another. You disagree, she wins.
I wish you both a life filled with wonder and love, with more joy and blessings than the stars in the sky above. Enjoy each adventure, make as many memories as you can, and cherish this moment where it all began.
There's a wonderful life ahead of you. Live it fully, embrace its changes and choices, and let life amaze you. And may your love so endure that its flame remains a guiding light. Ben, you may now kiss the bride.